Welcome back to Kay's Cozy Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you an easy recipe to make these delicious jalapeno poppers. To start, you'll need about 10 jalapenos depending on size, and for the filling you'll need a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar and Mexican cheese, a couple tablespoons of pickled jalapeno juice, 1 package of cream cheese, and about 1/3 cup of chopped bacon. Now grab a bowl and start adding in the ingredients for the filling. And this process is easier if the cream cheese is already softened. And here I am just adding in some seasonings. I have some garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and salt. And the final ingredient here is that pickled jalapeno juice. Next, you'll want to prepare the jalapenos for the filling. Start by chopping off the tops and coring it with a knife. And I will say, to prevent these from being too hot, try to get as many seeds out as possible during this process. To stuff the jalapeno, I am just grabbing some of that mixture with a knife and pushing it down to the bottom and repeating that process until it is completely filled. Another way that might be considered easier would be to put the mixture into a piping bag to fill the jalapenos, but either way is fine. And to get those dipping stations ready, start by adding about 2 cups of flour to one bowl, about 2 cups of seasoned breadcrumbs to another bowl, and the last one you'll add 2 to 3 eggs. And I like to add just a bit of hot sauce to this before beating. Now onto breading, I start by rolling this in some flour first, then dipping it into the egg, rolling it into the breadcrumbs, then I'll dip it back into the egg, and then back into the breadcrumbs to finish. And I do like to sit these in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour before frying. And once the oil was close enough to 370, I fried these in batches of 5 for 3 to 5 minutes. And this is what they should be looking like once they're done. Let me know if you enjoyed this recipe in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.